Welcome to 181 Stonebridge Lane, Paso Robles, California. This beautiful 4-bedroom 2-bath is situated on 1/4 acre in a prime location, in the desirable Riverbank neighborhood. The floor plan is unique as it offers 2 main living areas for entertaining or relaxing. The kitchen has upgraded stainless steel appliances, a pantry area, and an abundant amount of cabinets and storage. Upgraded flooring and plantation shutters. The bedrooms are roomy with great closet space in each. The master bedroom also features large glass windows with views to the backyard wonderland. The backyard offers a variety of desirable features including a lap pool, garden area, and covered patio. The inside laundry room leads to the attached 3-car garage that features a workshop area, as well as a leased solar system, SUNRUN. Call or text the listing agent to schedule an appointment today. Thank you for taking our virtual tour. Have a nice day.